Good morning students. Today we are learn our 6th computer chapter of class 7, that is working in flash. Okay. So firstly we will learn symbols. So let's start students. When the same graphic element is used to multiple time in document. When same graphic elements is used multiple time in document, it can be converted to a symbol. Then it can be converted into symbols. This symbols is added to library and can be seen in the library panel. This symbol is add to library and it can seen in library panel. Imported images, sounds, files, etc. can also be made symbols. Imported images and sound files can also made symbols. When a group of graphics or objects have to act together in animation. When a group of graphics and group of objects have to act together in animation, okay, they too can be converted to a single symbol. They converted to a single symbols. For example, different parts of a car can be grouped together. For example, different parts of a car can be grouped together and it converted into a car symbol. So that act together in motion of the car, and they act together motion of car. There are three types of symbols, that is graphic symbol, movie clip symbol and button. Okay. So first is graphic symbol. This is used when the same static graphic object is used in multiple places. Example, shapes. It is used when the same static graphic object is used in multiple places. The example of graphics is shapes. Then movie clip. This is used to create reusable pieces of animation. It is used to create reusable pieces of animation. The example of movie clip is car wheel. Then button. This is used to create reusable buttons. For okay, a single symbol can have multiple instances. The single symbols have multiple instances. That, for example, or that can appears in multiple location in flash document. It can appears in multiple location in the flash document. An instance can differs from its original symbols in color and size. Instance can differs from its original symbols in color and size. Editing a symbol automatically updates all the instances, but applying an effect to an instance does not affect the original symbol. It does not affect the original symbols or its other instances. Then using symbols reduce the size of the flash file as saving of multiple instances. The using symbol reduce size of the flash file as saving of multiple instances. With the same symbol occupy much lesser space. The symbol occupy much lesser space than saving of multiple individual objects. So understand students? So in your homework, write symbols and the types of symbols in your notebook. Okay.